Hey everyone, it's Money Mindset, and today we're diving deep into the world of dividend stocks to unlock long-term wealth. Think about it. Getting paid just to own a piece of a company? That's the beauty of dividend stocks. Over the course of this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about dividend stocks, from understanding what they are and how they work, to identifying the best ones for your portfolio. Alright, let's break down the basics. What exactly are dividend stocks? In simplest terms, a dividend stock is a share of ownership in a company that pays you, the shareholder, a portion of its profits. Instead of keeping all those profits to themselves, these companies choose to distribute a part of them amongst their investors. That's you. Usually on a quarterly basis. For the company, paying dividends can attract and retain investors, which is crucial for their growth. For you, the investor, it's a steady stream of passive income. You're essentially getting paid to own a piece of that company. But here's where it gets really interesting. Dividend yield. This is the annual dividend payment per share, expressed as a percentage of the stock price. It's like the interest you earn on a savings account, but potentially much higher. You want companies with a strong track record of profitability, a history of increasing dividends, and a solid business model that can weather economic storms. So, are you ready to start building your own dividend-paying machine? Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about how to separate the wheat from the chaff, or in our case, the stable dividend payers from the risky ones. Remember, not all dividend stocks are created equal. You want to find those companies that are built to last, the ones that will keep those dividend checks coming like clockwork. First and foremost, look at the company's financials. Are they consistently profitable? Do they have a strong balance sheet with manageable debt? These are crucial signs of a healthy company that can sustain its dividend payments. Next up, check out their dividend history. Look for companies that have a long history of paying dividends and, even better, consistently increasing them over time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify across different sectors. A well-rounded dividend portfolio should include companies from various industries to minimize risk. Remember, identifying quality dividend stocks takes time and research. So do your homework, be patient, and choose wisely. So you've got the basics down, and you're ready to start building your own dividend-paying portfolio. Congrats! This is where it gets really exciting. But before you go all in on one stock, remember that diversification is key. Spread your investments across different sectors, industries, and even countries. When it comes to allocating your funds, start by determining what percentage of your portfolio you want to dedicate to dividend stocks. Once you've decided on your allocation, it's time to start picking your stocks. Look for companies with strong financials, a history of dividend growth, and a solid track record. Remember, building a successful dividend portfolio takes time and patience. So start small, do your research, and watch your dividend income grow over time. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, making your money work harder for you. And that's where the magic of compounding comes in. When you reinvest your dividends, you're essentially buying more shares of the company. And those new shares will also pay dividends, which you can then reinvest to buy even more shares. This creates a powerful cycle of growth that can significantly amplify your returns over time. Many brokerage accounts offer dividend reinvestment plans, or DRIPs. These plans automatically reinvest your dividends into more shares of the same stock, often without any brokerage fees. So embrace the power of compounding, set up a DRIP, and watch your dividend income snowball into a significant source of wealth over time. Now, before you get too excited and start throwing all your money at any stock with a dividend tag on it, let's take a step back and talk about some common mistakes to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes I see investors make is chasing high yields without considering the underlying fundamentals of the company. Remember, a high dividend yield doesn't always equal a good investment. Sometimes an unusually high yield can be a red flag, signaling that the market is skeptical about the company's ability to maintain those payouts. Another common mistake is ignoring the importance of diversification. Spread your investments across different industries and companies to mitigate risk and protect your portfolio from unexpected downturns. Remember, dividend investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quick. Patience is key, my friends. Another trap to avoid is becoming too emotionally attached to your investments. Market fluctuations are inevitable, and even the most stable dividend-paying companies can experience temporary dips in their stock price. Instead, focus on the long-term fundamentals of your investments and remember why you chose them in the first place. All right, let's get inspired. Because who doesn't love a good success story, right? And the world of dividend investing is full of them. These are stories of everyday people who've achieved incredible financial freedom by harnessing the power of dividends. Take, for example, the legendary investor Warren Buffett. He's a huge proponent of dividend investing, and for good reason. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, has a long and impressive history of investing in dividend-paying companies, which has contributed significantly to its incredible growth over the years. Then there's Geraldine Weiss, a retired teacher who managed to build a multi-million-dollar portfolio primarily through dividend investing. She started small, consistently invested in quality companies, and reinvested her dividends for decades. Her story is a testament to the power of patience, discipline, and a long-term approach to investing. These stories are a powerful reminder that you don't need to be a Wall Street guru to succeed with dividend investing. So let these stories fuel your fire and inspire you to start building your own dividend-paying machine. All right, we've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the basics of dividend stocks to identifying quality companies and harnessing the power of compounding. Now, it's time to put all that knowledge into action and create a plan for your own dividend investing journey. First things first, if you haven't already, open a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the stock market and will allow you to start buying and selling dividend-paying stocks. Next, determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a house, or simply to generate passive income? Your goals and risk appetite will dictate how much you invest, what types of dividend stocks you choose, and how long you plan to hold them. Once you've got your brokerage account set up and your investment goals defined, it's time to start researching and selecting your dividend-paying champions. Don't be afraid to start small. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, the power of compounding will work its magic over time. Remember, consistency is key. We've reached the end of our dividend deep dive, and I truly hope you're feeling empowered and excited to start building your own passive income stream. Remember, mastering dividend stocks isn't about chasing quick riches. It's about making smart, informed decisions that will reward you for years to come. Now it's your turn to take the reins. Open that brokerage account, start researching those dividend-paying companies, and begin building the financial future you deserve. Thank you so much for joining me on this dividend adventure. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips, tricks, and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Got any questions about dividend investing or any other financial topic you'd like me to cover in a future video? Drop them in the comments section below. I love hearing from you, and I'm always happy to help in any way I can. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested, and keep building that financial freedom. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to unlocking wealth through dividend stocks. I hope this video has empowered you to take control of your financial future and start building a portfolio that pays you for years to come. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. What are your biggest takeaways from this video? Are you excited to start investing in dividend stocks? Let me know in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more empowering financial content.